Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. So today I'm at Burlington and they just got a new shipment of handbags. So I thought I would share which ones they had. They have this dusty rose one that's super cute. I prefer like a tote bag. I think most of my purses are tote bags. This one is cute because you could wear it as a crossbody or just a handbag. And I like how they put all the red purses together. I like this Juicy Couture. And this is also a crossbody slash handbag. I haven't bought any purses in a long time. I'd like to just save up and maybe get a luxury bag, because I feel like I have enough purses right now. So on this back wall, they have a lot of mini backpacks. These little basic ones are cute, that little black one and a green one. And then they have this Juicy Couture one that's cute with a little heart on it. And then here's like the black section. And they have this Bebe purse. And it kind of looks like ostrich print. And they have this one that looks like a Chanel, like a fake Chanel. I think if you're the type of person that just gets like one handbag and then you just wear it out until then you'll get a new one, I think you should get a black handbag because it goes with everything. Or a brown one too. This one is super pretty with the big bow on it. At my Burlington, I've seen Vera Bradley purses before. I've seen, of course, Tommy Hilfiger. I've seen Aldo. They have Steve Madden a lot. And Bebe, of course. But I've never seen Coach. I don't think I've seen Coach. I've never seen Michael Kors. But at Ross, you will sometimes see Coach and Michael Kors. I like this bag with the stripe down the middle. And it looks like Ralph Lauren, maybe. So I hope you liked seeing what was new at Burlington. Subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.